In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Maps app on your Android smartphone. So by updating your Google Maps app, you'll get to use the latest features that comes with this app, and you'll also be able to fix bugs and errors that you have been experiencing on the older version of Google Maps. Now to do this, you need to access your Google Play Store, and you can simply go to Play Store here and then tap on it. Now from this, go ahead and search Maps just like that. And then if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have Google Maps here. Go ahead and tap on this. And now here, you'll see here we have an option called update. Once you see this option called update, it means that you don't have the latest version of Google Maps. For my case, you can see I don't have the updates function. This means I already have the latest version of Google Map. For your case, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and install the latest version of Google Maps, and afterwards install it. Once it installs, now you'll see you'll have open option here. Once you're done, now go ahead and tap on open, and then you will start using the latest version of Google Maps. So that's how you can update your Google Maps app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.